thank you so much for coming back. And as promised, I finally have part 3 of my Pattern Beauty review. Now today I am going to be using the leave-in conditioner. I finally got my hands on this conditioner. I actually went to Ulta and they were sold out. And shout out to Ulta because they shipped it to my house for free. So thank you so much, Ulta. Now I am going to be using this leave-in conditioner. I didn't want to use this on dirty hair, and I also did not want to use a different shampoo before I use this. So I did actually wash my hair using Pattern Shampoo, and I ended up using the heavy conditioner for coilies. And that video is actually part of another video. So I will have my original video, part 1, part 2 listed below. So I just washed my hair with Pattern, and again, their conditioner. So this is how my hair looks. Still amazing like last time. Now, one thing is when I apply leave-in conditioner, I typically like to do it to extremely damp hair, but I wanted to record myself, so I didn't do it in the shower. I mean, I wanted to talk through it, so I couldn't do it in the shower. Okay. So like I mentioned, I like to apply my leave-in conditioner on damp hair. So I'm just spraying my hair. And I haven't even used this yet. Oh, it doesn't even have this, it has the seal on there. I'm gonna try to make this video extremely quick. If need be, I will be fast forwarding it. Wow, I must say, I am extremely impressed. I didn't expect it to have a gel-like feel. Most leave-in conditioners, for me, don't define my curls this much. So I am extremely impressed. I thought I was going to have to add some gel, but I'm doing box braids tomorrow and I don't want to wash my hair again. So I was like, dang it, I can't use gel. So I'm literally risking it all tonight just wearing my hair like this. Now, the only thing I will do is add gel to the front of my hair because even with my box braids, I want my edges to be laid. So, wow, guys. Wow. And then I have 3 different curl patterns. So the front, like I mentioned, it's usually easy to please. But this middle, wow, that's crazy. And I honestly was getting extremely lazy, so I started even doing larger sections. So even for me, just doing larger sections and just leaving it like this, I am extremely impressed. Wow. I'll be back. I'm going to put my hair up, twist it a little bit, add some gel to my baby hairs, and I'll be right back. I actually decided not to gel my edges down. I'm just gonna do natural edges tonight. But like I mentioned, I am extremely impressed. Highly recommend. I actually highly recommend getting the larger one, which is $25, only because I feel like I used a lot of that tiny that tiny bottle, and my hair drank it up. So I don't know, if you just want to go ahead and give it a shot, I would recommend getting the larger bottle instead of the smaller one, because now I'm gonna have to go back and get another smaller one. It's gonna be $9, and that's almost $20 right there. So you might as well just go ahead and get the larger bottle. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I will have part 1, part 2 listed below. And if you're just curious to know how my hair turned out the second time I used the shampoo and conditioner, I will have that link, which is completely separate from this review, below as well. So as always, thank you guys so much for